name is Francesco Gregory with Acura Columbus in Dublin, Ohio. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple CarPlay in the brand new 2020 Acura RDX. Once you've connected your phone to the smartphone USB port, you want to click Apple CarPlay from the main menu. Any apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay will display on your main menu. From the Apple CarPlay display screen, you'll see Phone. You'll see your favorites. Scroll over, you'll see Recents. Click on Contacts. If you go back up, you can go to Keypad, click back up, and you also have your voicemail. You can also go to Music to access your library, playlist, and your radio. Next, you can go to Maps, go to Search, where you can do it by voice or typing, or you can view your destination list. Next, you want to click on Text Message. Now, if you see a blue dot next to it, you can scroll down, and if you actually push it, it will actually read your message. Also, will give you a chance to respond as well, even while you're driving. One of the nice features is you can press and hold the talk button and access Siri. How you do that is, "Hey Siri, what's today's weather?"
It's currently clear and 61 degrees in Dublin. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 60 degrees to 53 tonight.
Once again, thanks for choosing Acura Columbus. My name is Francesco. You can contact me at 614-761-1222, extension 123. Thank you and have a nice day.